Okay, what I put in here that you probably didn't on your page, unless you've, again, I talked about your physics and everything. I don't know if this is what you did or not. This line means magnitude, okay? Magnitude means the distance, right? So the magnitude of u plus v squared equals 30 squared plus 20 squared minus 2, 30, 20, cos 102. Where did I stop? U, I think I stopped at u. What did you get for magnitude of u plus v squared, please?
1549.
1519?
1549.
1549. Point, I'm assuming stuff.
0.5.
1.5, dot, 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 dot. Okay.
0.5.
Oh, 0.5, sorry. Okay. Will we be close, something close to that? I hope. Okay, Nicole, can you take the square root of that for me, please? Oh, you're still calculating? Luke, can you take the square root of that for me?
39.36.
39.36. 39.36. Somebody confirm that for me? Okay. Okay, so I should probably put units in here right now. We're talking about kilometers, so I'll throw kilometers in there. Now, I'm going to redraw my diagram again. You don't have to redraw it, but I'm going to, because I want to talk about the way these vectors were added here, okay? So this was 30, this was 102, this was, sorry, 20. Let's try again. That was 20, that was 30, and this is u plus v. And this is 39.36, and that's u plus v. Okay, if I want the direction of u plus v, what angle do I need to find now? How do I need to go about finding the direction? Bailey, go ahead.
It's on the bottom right corner.
Yeah? I'm going to call this one beta because we already used theta. Okay, now someone other than Bailey, once I have beta, how do I use that to find my direction? So I can say relative to u, but relative to u I don't like. Uh-oh. Stay awake, guys. Well, remember how everything has to be relative to north, south, east, west, right? So what's the only thing we have? What's the only direction that we have? Well, we have this, right? Okay, so my heading is going to be 30 degrees plus beta from north. So everyone see that? We went north 30 degrees west. Okay, and then plus your beta is going to tell you what the angle actually is. Okay, we're sort of okay on that? That we're good? Right, you're starting north, right, and then the 30 plus whatever, that's what you do. Okay, where did I stop at? Derek, can you tell me how to solve for beta, please?
Use sine conjugate.
Go ahead, please.
We use sine beta over 30 equals sine 102 over 39.36.
Good. And Corey, what'd you get for an answer for that, please?
48.1.
48.1. Can somebody confirm? No, nobody's confirming. No, one person's confirming. That's good. Thank you. Okay, so what we're going to say is then the heading is going to be north 30 plus 48.1 degrees west, which is equal to north 78.1 degrees west. That, of course, is messy. I don't like that. 78.1 degrees is a lot. How would I figure out what it is relative to west? Go ahead.
Subtract west 11.8 degrees.
Therefore, u plus v equals 39.36 kilometers west, which is 11.9 degrees north. Now, there are some physics teachers who say always start with north and south. I'm not gonna say that, I'm gonna say use the smallest angle. Okay, the smallest angle is nicer. If you have a major problem with that, come talk to me after, okay, but I'm gonna use the smallest angle in my solutions. Guess you don't look inspired still. Do you want another question to inspire you?
I'm good.
No, too bad, you want one more to inspire you. Do you guys want one more to inspire you with a negative up?
Sure.
Let's do one more with a negative. No, you always shake your head as hard as they ever, for an example. One last one, and then we're done. This is gonna be V minus W. So if you're remembering, V was equal to 30 kilometers west, 18 degrees south. And W is equal to 40 kilometers, lost my direction. South 22 degrees east. Okay, so if W is equal to 40, south 22 degrees east, what's negative W going to be? Because we need that.
North and west.
I think so. I can't do this in my head, so that's why. Yeah, it's north 22 degrees west. Therefore, negative W equals 40 kilometers north 22 degrees west. So I'd like you to add those two for me, please. So what you will be adding is V, which is this right here, and W and negative W, which is this here. Okay, are most people okay with where that negative W came from? So what I did is Bailey got it right over her head. She goes, I can know right away that's what it is. I didn't. So I drew the north, south, east, west compass, right? And I drew the west, south 22 degrees east, and then I just switched it over, okay? Yeah. So what I did there, so I'm gonna go here. I started off south 22 degrees east. Oh, you mean you do that? You mean you want me to draw this diagram? Oh, yeah. So there's south 22 degrees east, right? So the opposite of that is going to be north 22 degrees west. All right, I'm going to hit pause the video. You guys can solve this quickly. You guys solve that quickly, and then we will give back the tests. Some motivation. Okay, the tricky part for this and all of these is drawing the diagram. Once you have the diagram drawn properly, then it's just a regular trig question. So that's what tonight's homework is going to get you practice again, getting these diagrams down. Once you're familiar with the diagrams, you practice figure it out. So I'm going to start with V, which I'm going to do as west 18 degrees south is V. There's 18 degrees, and that's 30. Then we're going to go north 18 degrees west. And that's 40, 22, sorry. Bring this down a little bit. Come on. Come on. Maybe they can't make it bigger. Right. Wow. Yeah, but I can't do it right. That's all right. Okay, so this is U plus V is going to be up here someplace. Oh, sorry, V plus negative W, I should say. Okay, let's finish this off, please, quickly. Okay, so what angle do we need to find first? What angle do we need to find first here? Go ahead, Nathan. Yeah, so we need to find, here we go guys, please. We need to find this little chunk right here, right, is what we need to do. Now the nice thing is, and Nathan showed me this over there, so I'll take him through what he told me, was we know that's going to be a right angle, because north, south, east, west always meets at 90, right? So if I know that's 90 and that's 18, this very quickly is going to be 72. Okay, we got that Callan from 180 minus the other two, right? 180 minus 90 minus 18. Yeah, go ahead.
Why is your west dotted line not equal with the V minus W line?
Well, we don't know if V minus W is, right? Like it's possible, like because the green line's 40, like it should be big, right? So it might be lower, it might be above, it might be right on, but we can't say 100% that it is, right? It looks like it's gonna be close from my rough sketch, okay, but I can't necessarily. So what I'm gonna do then is I'm gonna redraw this one more time. And again, you don't have to keep redrawing, but I like to because I'm a teacher. There's 40. There's 94. There's 30. Okay, so I'm going to say the magnitude of V plus negative W squared is equal to 40 squared plus 30 squared minus 2, 40, 30, cos 94. Derek, I'm going to pick on you. What's V plus W squared, the magnitude of it? Squared?
Would be 2,667.416.
I'm assuming there's more dots behind that. Okay. Can somebody give me the square root of that? Caleb, how about you?
I got 64.
0.0?
Yeah, like 0.001.
Oh.
That is not what I.
Uh-oh.
I trust you, Caleb.
Thanks, Luke.
Can somebody help him?
51.65.
51.65, that's what I got.
I still do.
Guess he's the wrong number or something. That's awkward.
That's okay, Caleb, it's all right. Okay, so we know that's 51.65. Now, what angle do we need to find? What angle do we need to find here? Top left or top right?
Right.
Top right, okay. So here's the thing. We're going to find overall, this is theta. Now, but here's the tricky part. How am I going to use my direction? Like, where's the direction going to come from that? So let's say I say that's equal to 60 degrees. You're not going to say, well, it equals 60 degrees from the 30. So how am I going to get what it's going to be? Go ahead. Yeah. Okay, so the heading, very good. The heading is going to be west, theta minus 18, north. Okay, unless the angle's like 9 or something weird like that. Okay, but assuming it's bigger than 18. So everyone see that? You're going to get the entire thing. You're going to subtract 18 from it and then go north from there. Caleb, we're good? Okay. I'm going to use sine off of this one. We're going to say sine theta over 40 equals sine 94 over 1.6. Can I go what theta is, please? 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 All right, you guys aren't playing along today, that's fine. I got 50.7. Okay, so therefore, V plus negative W equals 51.6 kilometers west. What is that, 32.7? Oh, 31 point. I can't do this in my head. Is that right? Somebody confirm that for me? 18, yeah, that's right, isn't it? 50.7 minus 18 is 32. Yes? Okay, homework. I'm going to do a double homework check tomorrow, so I can check today. Homework is page 325, number 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 14, 15, 16. If you say to myself, Mr. Sadler, I'm a physics student, okay, and you want to skip like every other one for 5, you know what I mean? If I give you 5 ABC, that's fine. Make sure you do the ones at the end though, but the ones at the end are the ones that will actually be testable, right? Does that make sense? 5 and 6 are there just to make sure that you understand the concept. But like 14, 15, 16 are the ones that's going to test. I'm going to hit stop on the video, and I'm going to call you up one at a time to get your test. Okay, and then we'll go through a few little issues that arose throughout.